I bought a ticket for the long way round. It said today was your birthday, and I sure can't buy you 2 bottles of whiskey because I am sadly underage. But I wrote this song, I wrote this song, I wrote this song for your birthday, and I hope that you enjoy it. Random YouTube ads don't spoil it. Don't forget to eat some cake. Maybe you'll wanna go jump out of a plane to celebrate the fact you're getting old. Free falling through the air, wind blowing through your hair. Oh, actually in December it's pretty cold, but it won't be long, it won't be long before the seasons turn to spring. And then we'll go skydiving, and it sure will be exciting. When I finally get my license, I will sing. So here's your song, your birthday song. So go ahead and clap along, like Anna Kendrick's Cups. Hope I taught you well enough. With Pitch Perfect, you really can't go wrong. Oh, happy day, happy birthday. Riggs, happy birthday to you. Have fun on the radio, I'll be listening through my stereo on 103.7, you know it's true. Happy birthday!